Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm coming on today because I want to show you the next flower. I'm also going to show you the dragonfly if I've got enough time. Okay, the beaded one. I did stump work one, now I need to do a beaded one. Okay, so the flower we're going to do today, we're going to need some of these. I don't know why I put them over there because I need them. Is this purple one there, purple and white pearl colour sort of it is, and so I need a few of these beads. I only need 3, and then for around the outside of them I'm going to do the pink. I think put pink around the outside. Are they big enough? Yep, they are. Well, if there's enough of them there, I might put a couple more. There you go. Right, that's pretty easy. Now, thread the needle. Find the needle first, it's here somewhere. Right, got the needle, some thread. Okay, so I'm in Australia and I'm doing the beading tutorial today. Look what I found. Now, it just blew out in front of me, look. Dragonfly wings, or butterfly wings. Look at this. I bought these in the year dot. I really did. I've had these for so long. And I should... You think I would have used them, wouldn't you? But how's anybody else going to use this? Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Definitely have to put that on something. Anyway, that was... It just kept blowing towards me from over there. That's weird. Okay, so also... One assistant on saying there. I'm looking for me thread, aren't I? And I still haven't found me some more gold thread. I know I sent some away to someone because I thought I had a heap. And it's okay because I have, but I've just got to find it, that's all. That's my only trouble. I know I have to find it. Let me just peep in here a minute and see if I can find any. Right. It's too thick, is that right? Yes. That's too thick. Righto. I'm just looking for this thread for me dragonfly wings. But then I found those other wings, didn't I? Look at that, isn't that amazing? They just come towards me. Everything's going to fall on me if we have an earthquake. I hope we don't, because I'm in trouble. Anyway, like Jeremy said, you might as well leave it like it is, because I can work better with it like this for some reason. Just got to make sure I've got enough room to get in and out. One day I might start picking a few things up here and there. But what's the point in cleaning it all up? It always gets back there because I can't reach anything, and I like things to be near me so I can see what they're doing and see what I'm doing, and I feel like I need that. Okay, that's the sort of person I am. I need to be visual on things. So let's do this. We're going to put a bead on. Like that. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this the other way, but anyway, there's one bead, and around that I'm going to put some more. Now you've got to have enough, because there's 1, 2, what are we doing? Come on, 3. I hope you can see me. I'm collecting beads. Well, I was. And they're flicking all over the place. It's really hard though to get them. Tiny little holes. That's 3. I think I need 9. 4, 5. I don't know why I said that number. 6, 7. I'm back on there before you lose them. 8, 9. Now, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There, I didn't have nowhere near enough, have I? Is it 12? Which one's on there? Oh, that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh. That might be a bigger bead in the middle, though. I'm just going to... I made a mistake already. I've threaded them all on, but haven't got my needle back through the front of the piece of work here. Okay, people. Let's keep going. Let's put this through the front. Bring your bring your thread up through the top, okay? Now, maybe I should have used a bigger one, because I've got a big one there. I think that's what I've done here too. I've used, no, that's huge, that one. I've got 2 of those small ones, so there should be more over there. Okay, there he is. We're not going to worry about that for the moment. We're going to get this stuff around here, and it won't take as many as I thought because of the... So what you need to do is just thread these on, okay? Don't panic, you know, because there's room for error and we can fix anything, you know. So you want to just get them like that and make them go around for you. Just let them lay down there so you can see how many more you need. And they're still going all over the place. These ones here are actually coloured on the inside. They've got a bit of paint or something on the inside of them. Well, some of them have. Oh dear, maybe I've got the wrong things. Some of them might be different, are they? Doesn't matter because the flower's got a different... I'll do a couple more, eh? 2 more. That might be enough. Now, lay it down flat, hang on to it nicely, so you got it like that, okay? Now go down in there, at the beginning, pull around tightly. Now come up at the top of the bead, at the top of your bead, so you'd be going over the piece of thread that's going through that one, right? And put on 2, 3, not 2 maybe, 2 might be enough I think. We'll just put them and see, because we can always add another one, because it's got that pointy bit, see? Now 2's enough, righto, so that's that piece. That's sitting up the top of it, okay? So now you're going to come back here and put on another one of these beads, which I have to get out of this box because what's there is not the right... Where on earth did I get them from? I just had... Here. There's a few different sizes and colours in this, so I need to get out the right ones because they're different. This one's got a little bit of a pearly tone to it. So that one. Maybe that one. Maybe. What do I do? Put them all in the same box. And see, that's a bit different. They're a bit different, aren't they? Let's have the same one in here somewhere. Let's get something the same, please. That one there is. Isn't it? That one. Yeah. Righto. Try not to lose them. These are very precious. I really like them. I couldn't find any for ages. And I got really excited when I did get some. Oh, I just started this appearing. That was just my leg. It's okay. It does give me a bit of a hard time when I move it sometimes. Okay, so then we put that, push that back down there, and we want to go close to where this is, the edge. I might have to see if I can get that dragonfly done today, maybe not. Just depends how much time I've got. I might have to do it next week for you. Now, because we've got to do this flower first, don't we? And we've got to do some stems as well. You can put as much stuff through on yours as you like. Oh, I'll do this again. Why am I not thinking to come back through the top? For goodness sake, Sonya. What are you doing, lady? I've done so many things this morning. That's what's wrong with me. I've overdone it, I think. I've been sewing since 8:30. And that's only 3 hours, but that's a long time. Be concentrating on all these different things. I'm making dragonflies and flowers and stitches and everything, but it's my own fault. I should have got it done before, but I was doing that other thing too, you see. I can't... I like to be busy. I go to sleep for night time thinking about how much I'm going to accomplish the next day and waiting for the time to go so I can get up and get going. But I've got to get sleep first, and I do that now. I've been sleeping really good lately. Medication seems to be working well for me, so that's good. That's all right. Is that good enough? No, it's not. Look, I've got it. Skew with. Push that up there, Sonya, and have another bead. Have another bead. Righto. Now try it. Now go down in there. Whee! And that's going to happen, of course. We'll flick up there. Now put this one up here, and you want to go, so you're going to have the 2 beads on. You've gone under the piece of thread, preferably the one that's in the middle of the top of the bead, like there, and go down like that. That looks really nice, doesn't it? I've got a lot of things that I want to put on these work that I'm doing, and I'm giving myself ideas while I'm here showing you these things. And I only did 3 of these, which I don't know why, but I only did 3, so we're only going to do 3 today. You can do as many as you like on your flower, as many as you like. Okay. Which way do I want this to go? I don't think I'm happy with that. I think I should move it over a bit. Righto. I'm just going to go back through, come up a bit further over. And because both these threads are going through together now, they're going to tangle up with one another. Now it's undone. Good, 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 good. That's too close. You've got to have enough room to put a bead in the centre, okay? Keep popping up through in the wrong place all the time. Goodness me. Come on, Sonya, get it where you want it to go. There, righto, that's it. Good, there's enough fiddling about with that. Is this the right bead? I don't think it is, you know. Here it is. Here it is. It's only a very slight difference, but I can see it. Push your bead right up flat, keep it flat, so when you pull this through, it stays nice and flat. You don't want it sitting up in the air. Now what we can do too is go around and stitch a few more stitches around those beads, but we'll finish putting this one on first and then we'll get them all down, eh? So all the little kids will be going back to school next week, as far as I know. Aren't they? Or did they go today? No, it's not. It's Sunday. They go back on a Friday, which is a bit silly, because then they've Saturday and Sunday off. I don't know why they do that. Anyway, my daughter's going to come home and visit me, but I suppose she just didn't have time. We could come home and let her go with mum, scrabble with her mum and stuff like that. We could have just hung out a bit. But usually when she's here, she's always doing something else, always busy. But anyway, never mind, doesn't matter. She's got other things to do and I got mine. I don't want to be needy. It's just something that I don't like to be needy, but you know how sometimes we feel like that. We just probably need our children, some visitors sometimes. Busy all the time though. I did have a standing date for my eldest daughter to come on Sunday for lunch, you know, and that only worked a few times because then they got sick and different things happened and then they had other things to do and that didn't come to pass. It just went down, you know, so I should probably put one out there for my other daughter too, but she's always got stuff she's doing and they've got a new business that they're starting, so it's not easy for them to get away, I suppose, to come and see me. Yeah, anyway, and the father, never mind. Never mind. I'll talk to the cat, or Jeremy. I don't think I talk too much to him, but I do talk. I'm doing me someone or something. Yeah, I do talk to him, but you know what I mean? It's just, I probably do, you might talk too much sometimes. I'm going to go around here and I'm coming up to the side of my pearly bead, and I'm going down the other side of this thread, so I'm going to keep it, hold it in its place a bit better, okay? That's not good, that thing's sticking in my hand. And I'm going to go up there in this one, and I really like this. Isn't it pretty? Go down there. These are beautiful things that people can do, isn't it? So much lovely stuff we can make. And now Sonya has, if I say this again, I'm going to absolutely scream at myself, because I need to get stuff ready that I want to send you. And I will get somebody a big parcel of goodies. And the longer I take, the bigger the parcel's going to have to be, because it'll be all wait and get somebody to win it. Okay, so that's that one. Isn't that cool? And you probably could put another one out there, because that'd look really even cooler, wouldn't it? But I need to go now, because I've got to go and do a few things. I was going to do the Dragonfly, but I'm sorry I don't have time to do that today. But anyway, you just do that one. You just got the idea. You know, just be very careful when you put them down so they're not too tight around. So just lay them down and just make sure you've got the right amount going around that way, okay? So I think that looks pretty good. So next week we will do the Dragonfly. We will do him on the fabric, and then I'll do one that's freestanding, like you can use for a brooch or whatever. I don't know if have I got him in here. I might have left him out in the other room. Could have left him out in the other room. I had to find some gold wire and gold thread somewhere to fix that thing, to fix my Dragonfly. So next week, if you want to do this, the Dragonfly, which you probably will, because I made mine that I've done recently, I've done a few in the past, but when I did mine, I did ribbon embroidery on that one, okay? So instead of doing the ribbon, if you haven't got any ribbon, see if you can find a piece of lace. Now, I've got this bit, and so I thought it was just the thing for a wing, isn't it? You know, that's just the thing. And if I cut it out, down here like that or something, some such way, and come down this side, because you could do the same thing if you've got some lace, if you don't have the ribbon, okay? Because people might not, and I don't think the satin ribbon will work as good because it's too thick. It's too thick to do what we want to do. So we can do this. Look, I mean, I know I've cut that out and cheated all the way I went, but that is going to make a good wing. Maybe it might be a tiny bit thick, but I might just trim that back a bit further, or just get I don't know what sort of lace you can find, but there should be something that you can just cut the shape of the wing out. Even if you did it with a piece of fabric, you could do it too with a piece of fabric. Maybe you did a bit of. It might work if you've got something silky. It'd be nice. I've got this giant piece of pink stuff here, and it's got, you just go and see if you can find shapes in it to make a wing out of, okay? Anything, you just cut your own shape somehow. I mean, I know I'm probably trying to get you to do something that you might not be happy with, but have a little go and see if you can do that, because then you'll be, even in the doilies, have they got something on them that you can get a wing off, or I don't know. Not really. Yeah. There's lots of ideas though, so we can find something that we can do it with, alright? So nobody panic or stress out about that, because I'm sure we're going to be able to do the right thing. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and I will talk to you later. Please leave a like if you liked what we're doing, comment and talk to me about something, you know, so whatever. And continue on with our flowers. The stems are pretty much just, you just thread the beads on, and then you'll go along and you'll stitch down at certain intervals to make it stay there. Okay, and your stems, if you want to do them, they're pretty much the same as that, or straight up, you know. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching everybody, and I better go now, so I'll talk to you later. So stay safe. Bye bye.